JL here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel your Progressive insurance. So to do this is pretty simple. So to cancel your car insurance, all you have to do is go to Progressive and Help. So you can log in and call this number and talk to an agent to cancel your insurance. But here you can cancel your car insurance at any time, anywhere. So there's going to be some reasons to cancel your auto insurance, and there has to be a valid one. So if you no longer drive, switching insurance companies, or covered under someone else's policy, so you can start a new auto insurance policy if you cancel it. But if you want to cancel it, you can check it online by going to progressive.com, or you can call them at this number so you can talk to a representative who will guide you to cancel it. So you can also ask an agent or expert so that you'll be able to cancel your Progressive insurance. So basically, that's how you actually cancel it. You'll have to talk to someone, ask an agent, or go online to cancel it yourself. So there you go, guys. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.